She is such a wonderful teacher. She does such great things for our students. She's just an exemplar of what we have here in Lamar County, and our teachers here, they just work so well together, and they just support each other. They lift each other up. They're just an example of what is right in education these days. And so, yeah, she is a phenomenal teacher. You can tell when her kids were so happy for her. You know, that was one of the blessings that you could see. So. Just the magnitude of this award and what it means, and what it means not only to Ms. Duplessis herself, but her school, Oak Grove Elementary, and our district, Lamar County Schools. It's just the magnitude and what it symbolizes of the excellence in education, and what it says about her as a teacher, but our schools and our district here is just important for everyone to know. And it's like what our presenter said, our teachers don't get recognized enough. And when they do not get their accolades and the congratulations, and we don't pat them on the back, and we don't specifically, and that's something I need to do better, of just saying thank you, and what they do and what they bring, and how they just love their kids. Just says that we have some of the best, and one of the best, if not the best, teachers in our district. But yes, it just shows that what we are committed to as a school district and a school to providing the best education for our children. So proud for her school, our district, to be awarded a phenomenal award like this. It means a lot. It means that her kids and our students in this district are being well taken care of.